How to fix anterior pelvic tilt before it's too late. Over 85% of men and 75% of women suffer from this condition where your pelvis is rotated or tilted forward. And if you don't fix it, it can cause chronic lower back pain or even hurt some of the internal organs. There are three main problems that cause the anterior pelvic tilt, which are weak abdominal muscles, which makes your belly look unattractive and bigger than it actually is. Number 2 is weak glutes, and that makes your butt stick out. And problem number 3 is weak and arched lower back muscles. And of course, the goal of this video will be to improve all those weak areas, make those muscles stronger in order to get rid of the anterior pelvic tilt. Okay guys, let's start, and I'm gonna give you now an exercises for each of the weak muscles that I mentioned. You have to do these exercises every day on your daily basis for at least a few weeks to see the results. You don't need any equipment or anything like that. And let's start with abs. So the worst type of abs exercises you can do when you have anterior pelvic tilt is leg raises, knee raises, and high crunches. So I highly recommend to avoid these exercises as they will only tighten your hip flexor, and instead do regular crunches. Do this exercise for 25 reps, repeat 3 to 5 times and rest 30 seconds in between the sets. Just take a look at this little cute dog. That's what she said, I'm telling you. Okay, we got distracted, let's stay focused, and the next exercise is glute bridge. Place your back on the couch, keep one leg straight and use other leg to perform the movement. Repeat after me and don't forget to squeeze your glutes. Do this exercise for 15 reps for each leg, rest 1 minute and repeat 3 times. And the last exercise is for lower back. Lay on the floor, bring your knees to the chest and grab them with your arms. Our main goal is to keep the back as straight as possible, which will stretch our muscles and help get rid of the anterior pelvic tilt. Keep this position for 30 seconds, then rest for a bit and repeat 3 times. And the last 2 more additional stretching exercises that will help you stretch your hip flexor, which I highly recommend you to do at the end of each workout. Let's go. Keep your back straight and you'll feel the stretch in this part of the leg. Hold this position for 30 seconds, do the same for other leg and repeat 2 times.
This for all y'all making your shit. You should know.
And for the last exercise, you only need to grab your foot from behind.
That's the shit that got the people going wild. If they hate, boy,
This exercise can be a bit challenging, but try to hold this position for 20 seconds for each leg and 2 sets in total. That's it. So that's it guys, you have to do this workout every day and trust me, it doesn't take too much time, and if you do that, I guarantee you already see the results in a few weeks. Subscribe to this channel, put the like on to see the new video.